freedom of choice, what is it? Now, if let's say you intellectually thought, I'm going to go hang gliding, your mind will go, yeah, I can do whatever I want. Of course I can do that. But your feeling will stop you from going hang gliding. So even though you think you have a freedom of choice about it, most people simply won't do that. They're unconsciously having fear, can I do that? Lack of information, lack of understanding. So there's all these fake choices that are placed in front of you that you don't have the freedom to say, yes, I want to do that. So with freedom of choice, contemplate the idea, gain information about the idea, then unconsciously things will bubble up to the surface and you'll get a real freedom of choice, putting it on the menu of your choices. So your freedom of choice expands when you have knowledge, information, and to even know that those choices exist to start with.